G'day Australia, Korum E here. Check out this pack. This is the Renegade MTX audio pack, available at Universalfuze.com and Audiocom stores in Western Australia. Now, it's a ripper little pack, and for a short time only, while stocks last, it includes a free MTX Polo shirt. We have just 10 of these available. So if you purchase the Renegade pack, which is, what do we got these up for, Paige? $7.29. $7.29 gives you front MTX speakers. These bad boys here, the TX2 splits, so that's tweeters and mid-bass drivers. The rear coaxial speakers with the tweeters center mounted, a good quality 6.5 inch mid-bass driver there. The 4-channel TX 2450 amplifier to power those two bad boys as well, and then a cable kit to get it all powered up and pumping. And while stocks last, a free MTX Polo shirt as a part of that pack. Check out the website universalfuze.com.au or the Audiocom website audiocom.net.au for more information on this pack and all of our other great packs, heaps of sub packs and upgraded packs from here as well. And get in while stocks last and get yourself a ripper all-round amplified audio package with a bonus MTX Polo shirt. Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and we will see you again soon.